Most of us will immediately start expanding these denominator brackets, but that actually makes the problem much harder. Let me share one substitution method which collapses this hard-looking equation beautifully. We have x cannot be 0, cannot be -1, denominators cannot be 0. And we are looking for real values of x. So let's get started by multiplying our equation with 1 over x square. So we'll multiply LHS as well as RHS by 1 over x square as x cannot be 0. So I can write here 1 over x times bracket x plus 1 over x plus 2 whole square, which will give us x square plus 1 plus 2x, which I am writing x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square, plus 1 over x square times 1 over x plus 3 over x plus 2 whole square will be equal to x square plus 2x plus 3 whole square equal to 6 over x square plus 2x plus 2 whole square. Now we are going to multiply whole equation by this denominator only, x square plus 2x plus 2 whole square. So we will get x square plus 2x plus 2 whole square over x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square plus x square plus 2x plus 2 whole square over x square plus 2x plus 3 whole square equal to 6. Denominator will get over. Now we'll use one exponent property and write equation x square plus 2x plus 2 over x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square plus x square plus 2x plus 2 over x square plus 2x plus 3 whole square equal to 6. Now we are going to use substitution. Let us consider x square plus 2x plus 2, which is in the numerator. Suppose this is equal to u. So denominator will be u minus 1, u plus 1. So we can write our equation u over u minus 1 whole square plus u over u plus 1 whole square equal to 6. So I will write here u over u minus 1 whole square plus u over u plus 1 whole square equal to 6. Now we are going to use one algebraic formula, a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2 times ab. Let's assume this is a and let us say this bracket is b. So we have to find a plus b first. So we will write u over u minus 1 plus u over u plus 1 and then we'll put part 2 minus 2 times ab. A is u over u minus 1 and b is u over u plus 1. RHS is 6. Now we have to simplify this bracket. We will write u square plus u square minus u over u plus 1 times u minus 1. We'll write u square minus 1 using difference of two squares formula. Whole square minus 2u square over u square minus 1 minus 6 equal to 0. Now plus u and minus u will get over. We will get 2u square over u square minus 1 whole square minus 2u square over u square minus 1 minus 6 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation in 2u square over u square minus 1. So let us assume this bracket is a. So we can write here a square minus a minus 6 equal to 0. So we have one quadratic equation in a square minus a minus 6 equal to 0. Here a is 2u square over u square minus 1. Now we will solve this quadratic equation using method of factorization. We can split our middle term minus a minus 3a plus 2a. Addition will be minus a. Minus 6 equal to 0. From first two terms we will take a common. So a minus 3 will be in the bracket. From next two terms we will take 2 common. We will rewrite a minus 3 in the bracket equal to 0. So we can take a minus 3 common out. We will get a plus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we are going to write either a minus 3 equal to 0 or a plus 2 equal to 0 or both may be 0. So from first equation a will be equal to 3. From second equation a will be equal to minus 2. Now a is 2u square over u square minus 1. Let's write here 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to 3. Let's cross multiply. We'll get 2u square equal to 3u square minus 3. We'll take minus 3 to the LHS, 2u square to the RHS. So u square will be equal to 3. After taking a square root both sides, we'll get u equal to plus minus a square root 3. Now we'll consider 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to minus 2. So we can write 2u square equal to 2 minus 2u square. Now we'll take minus 2u square to the LHS. So 4u square is equal to 2. After dividing by 2, we will write 2u square equal to 1. Now we will divide by 2. We are going to get u square equal to half. Now we'll take square root both sides. So I will write here u square is equal to half. U will be equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2. After rationalizing our denominator, we will get plus minus square root 2 over 2. So we have 4 u values. I will write plus minus square root 3 and plus minus square root 2 over 2. Now u was our substitution, x square plus 2x plus 2. Let's write x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to root 3 minus root 3 root 2 over 2 minus root 2 over 2. Now we are going to subtract 1 from both the sides so that LHS will give us x square plus 2x plus 1, which is one perfect square. So let me write here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Now LHS will become x square plus 2x plus 1. And in RHS, we'll write root 3 minus 1 minus root 3 minus 1 plus root 2 over 2 minus 1 minus root 2 over 2. Now minus 1 minus root 3 will be one negative number. We can cancel as we have LHS, a perfect square. Minus 1 minus root 2 over 2, we can cancel. This is negative quantity. Now minus 1 plus root 2 over 2 can be written as minus 2 plus root 2 over 2. Square root 2 is 1.414. Minus 2 plus 1.414 will be negative quantity. So this is also negative. We are going to reject this solution also. All the three values or solutions are negative. So we are going to accept x plus 1 whole square equal to root 3 minus 1. Now we'll be taking square root both sides. I will write x plus 1 whole square equal to square root 3 minus 1. After taking a square root both sides, we will get plus minus square root of square root 3 minus 1. Now we have to only subtract 1 to get our final real solutions. X will be equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of square root 3 minus 1. So we have two real values of x only. X1 will be minus 1 plus square root of square root 3 minus 1, and second real solution would be minus 1 minus of square root of square root 3 minus 1. Here we have two real values of x which will satisfy our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Bye bye.